been traveling for a long time. And one thing I have realized is that a journey isn't just about the places, it's about the people who make every moment special. वो कहते हैं ना, कभी कभी जगह नहीं बल्कि सफ़र के दौरान मिलने वाले लोग ही उसे यादगार बना देते हैं. And after countless miles, I have found that to be undeniably true. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं एक और अनोखा सफ़र, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द बसलिंग स्ट्रीट्स ऑफ माउंट आबू. एक ऐसा सफ़र जिसमें मिले कुछ प्यारे लोग, बनी कुछ यादें और सालों बाद थोड़ी सी सांस भी फूली. बट बिफोर ऑल दैट, लेट्स रिवाइंड टू वेयर इट ऑल बिगेन. Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Vinay Patel here, and today I am in Rajasthan with Errol. But as you can see, we are not in the desert. Okay? In fact, we are in a place which is the only hill station in Rajasthan. This place is Mount Abu, and of course, I am going to take you guys along with me for this amazing journey. And you know what's coming next, right? You know what I'm going to say. So, without wasting any time, let's go. Guys, this is the Rose Garden. It's open from 1 p.m. till 3 and then 5 p.m. till 8. So we are too early for it. It is 11 in the morning. So we'll probably come after some time and see if we can, show it to you. Okay, so कृपया फूल पत्ते ना तोड़े. That's obvious. Oh, look at those roses. So beautiful. Okay, so it looks like we are the only people in this garden. Allah, my okay. Wait, there's a puppy. Oh, wow, look at this dog. I hope he doesn't run behind us. It says Swasth Home Swachh Home Swasth Banana Apna Bharat Desh. Oh, nice. There's not much here. There's just a garden for the kids here. But the highlight of this park is this cute puppy. Look at that. So cute. I think he is on leash, so you don't need to worry about that. Let's see if there's anything else to see here. Wow, look at those roses. Beautiful, man. It's a very small garden. But I can't get over how cute that puppy is. Not a puppy actually, it's a full grown dog. But it's cute nevertheless. Oh, this is beautiful. They have some very good shairis over here. जो बात आपकी खुशी को नष्ट करने वाली हो उसे सुनते ही हुए नहीं सुनो. Okay, so this is basically not a shairi. It's more like some motivational quotes. अपने कर्मों से डरिए, ईश्वर से नहीं. ईश्वर माफ कर देता है, कर्म नहीं. Wow, that's well said. क्या नाम है इसका? हेलो. बहुत क्यूट है, बहुत शांत भी है ऐसे. काट जाता है. ओके. अच्छा, हाँ, बंदरों से बचो. हाँ. Okay. Okay, so his name is Tiger. Look at him. He's so adorable. Apparently, they keep him here to, to ensure that the monkeys don't come and destroy this garden. It's beautiful. Achha. Okay, so we were just informed that the garden is bigger than what we initially thought. So let me show it to you. Since we are already here. Oh, look at this. There's playground for kids. And wow, look at the roses, man. So many roses. Okay, so they are actually building a new space here for the park. Wow, it's so calm here. Wow, so beautiful. Oh wow, look at this. This is nice. I didn't expect it to be here. This is bigger than what I thought. My bad. My bad. This is really nice. And there are people here. I thought we were alone. Apparently not. I have a lot of misunderstandings in life, guys. I'm sorry about that. Okay. Okay, there is another playground here. Oh, this reminds me Jai Gandhi National Park. We have been there. If you haven't watched that video, you can find it in my playlist. So go and watch that first. And yeah, don't forget to watch this video, okay? Hey, there's a tiger there. What is up, tiger? Penguin. Oh, nice. Look at this. This is much, much bigger. I wish I could sit on this swing again. I'm too old for this. Never mind. Let's go. This park is beautiful. Look here, you can see a lot of statues here. There's a peacock, there's the tiger. Oh, look who I spotted. That's Errol. The rose garden turned out to be much bigger than I had expected. Just when I thought I had reached the end, I spotted a few kids playing on the swings. I couldn't resist joining them. Well, turns out I was a bit too big for the swings, so the kids decided I would be better off pushing them. And honestly, I didn't mind at all. After that, we made our way to Nucky Lake. On the way, we passed through a lively market where vendors were selling all sorts of souvenirs and trinkets. To my surprise, I even saw a man trying to sell Shilaji to tourists. But then my attention shifted to something far more captivating, the breathtaking Nucky Lake. Guys, we are at a place called the Nucky Lake. You can see it behind me. Look at all the people doing all the activities here. You can do boating, as you can see. There's a very cool legend about this place. Apparently, Nucky means nuck, which is nail. So it is said that this place was made out of a nail by gods. So I'm not sure about the entire story, but you can Google it. Or I'll try and put it somewhere here out. But this is an amazing place. It is known as the heart of Mount Abu. So if you are coming here and you are not coming to the Nucky Lake, you are not coming to Mount Abu, guys. So make sure you come here. You can see there are many activities. You can do boating. I'm not sure if we are going to do that. But yes, this is apparently very much it. Okay guys, I am traveling with two wonderful people. ये भरत है और मेरे साथ रितेश भी है जो यहाँ पे कहीं रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है. और भरत के पास एक थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन है मुझसे ज़्यादा अबाउट नक्की लेक, तो वो ये बताएंगे अब आपको.
तो ये जो नक्की लेक है ना, ये रसिया बालम करके भगवान थे, तो उन्होंने अपने नाखून से ये पूरा खोद के एक ही रात में पूरा नदी बनाया था.
ओके.
तो उन्होंने वरदान लिया था अरबू देवी माता का, शायद.
अच्छा.
मैं नॉट श्योर हूँ. एक माता ने उनको आशीर्वाद दिया था
जी.
तो उनके नाखून बड़े हो गए थे.
अच्छा.
तो बोला कि पहले तो वो उससे खोद रहे थे.
अच्छा.
जो क्या बोलते हो, पहा आता है ना, उससे खोद रहे थे, नाम नहीं पता. फिर उन्हें भगवान से मन्नत मांगी तो भगवान ने उनको नाखून दिया. तो फिर नाखून से पूरी रात में, एक रात में ये पूरा तालाब खोद दिया.
अच्छा.
तो ये तालाब खोदने के लिए इनकी सासू माँ शायद ने बोला था
ओके.
तो कि आप तालाब खोदोगे तो मेरी बेटी से शादी करवाऊंगा, ऐसा रात भर में।
ओके
तो फिर रात में खोद के चला जाता है। फिर वो क्या बोलती है कि मैं, जो हैन रहता है ना, हैन, वो मतलब सुबह बोलता है ना, कुकड़ कुक करता है ना, हाँ, तो उससे पहले ये खोद के आना है तो शादी करने दूंगी।
ओके
तो वो क्या करती है, वो आ जाता है बट वो उसी टाइम जाके कर देती है, तो फिर वो शादी करने नहीं देती।
ओके ओके
तो रसिया वाला बिल्ली बन के जाता है
ओके
वो हैन के पास, तो दोनों लड़ते हैं और उसको, हैन को मार देते हैं।
ओके
तो फिर वो शायद बाद में पत्थर बन जाते हैं, तो उनकी मूर्ति भी है यहीं पे
ओके
कहीं।
ओके ओके। तो गाइस आप देख सकते हो, इंसान प्यार के लिए कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। लाइक दिस इज सच अ वंडरफुल स्टोरी। और इसकी वजह से एक जगह का इम्पोर्टेंस और भी बढ़ जाता है। और मैं अभी आपको अदर फ्रेंड, आई एम गोइंग टू इंट्रोड्यूस यू टू द अदर फ्रेंड, इज रितेश। लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस यू टू हिम आल्सो। ये रहा, he is busy right now, he is trying to find some angle. हेलो, हाय। ये है हमारे दूसरे फ्रेंड, वी आर डूइंग अ ट्रिप विद हिम। ओके,
Hello everyone, myself Ritesh. I am from महाराष्ट्र, कल्याण, and हम यहाँ पे आए थे माउंट आबू घूमने के लिए। तो हमें साथ में मिल गए विनय भाई और एरल भाई। तो इनके साथ हम आगे का ट्रिप पूरा करने वाले हैं अभी माउंट आबू का। एंड आई एम ट्रैवलिंग तो बहुत पसंद है। सब बैग वगैरह लेके घूम रहे साथ में।
प्रॉपर बैग पैकर। देखिए बैग, देखिए उसका
Yeah.
बैग पैकर है।
सो अभी हमने जयपुर कवर किया है। अब जयपुर से हम लोग आ गए उदयपुर, और उदयपुर में माउंट आबू। एंड या आई एम अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर। माय इंस्टाग्राम आईडी इज मिस्टर रितेश अवार्ड। विनय भाई डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल देंगे। सो लेट्स सी हाउ इज द ट्रिप गो।
Okay, so and our trip is going wonderful. We have met some wonderful people here, and we are so looking forward for the rest of the trip. Talking about the activities that you can do. Look at this. They seem to be having a lot of fun here. Is one activity that I wanted to do, but I'm not sure if I'll do that because I'm scared. I can't swim, by the way. You guys seem to be having a lot of fun. Okay, so next up, Toad Rock. And let me tell you, this wasn't your average tourist stop. This place is basically a giant rock shaped like a toad. And the view from the top, unreal. Panoramic Nucky Lake, bits of Mount Abu, stunning. But getting up there, well, it was backbreaking. Like seriously, my legs were screaming. 20 to 30 minutes of pure, unadulterated climb. Finally, I made it. Caught my breath, soaked in the view. Worth it, by the way. This is a prime example of Indians having zero civil sense. Look at this, guys. And that's nothing. Look from here. You can see people have written their names there. I have no idea how they got there. But look at this. This is what people come here and do. Huh. What do you say, man? This is the iconic Toad Rock. And this is the view from here. There's a shop here, by the way, which is amazing. I don't know how people manage to write their names there. That's the Nucky Lake. There's a tiny shop here. I hope they have water. And then the descent. And down there, a whole different world. Shops, artists, magicians, you name it. And these kids, hustling, entertaining, trying to make a buck. I actually got to chat with one of them, a real eye-opener.
चाय में पत्ती नहीं तो पीने का क्या मजा। विनी भैया चाय में पत्ती नहीं तो पीने का क्या मजा। विनी भैया के साथ में अपने दोस्त नहीं तो घूमने का क्या मजा। विनी भैया डब्बे में केक। विनी भैया डब्बे में केक। विनी भैया की बीबी है लाखों में।
बीवी नहीं है यार, ये यार लेकिन
विनी भैया किचन में पाँव रखो तो धोना ही पड़ेगा, शादी करो तो रोना ही पड़ेगा। और आपका क्या नाम है डैडी वाले भैया? रितेश गाड़ी में इतना पहले भरा कभी फूटे ना। रितेश भैया गाड़ी में इतना पहले भरा कभी फूटे ना। आपके पत्नी से इतना प्यार करो कभी टूटे ना। और आपका भरत भैया नीचे पुल पड़ा तो उठाते क्यों नहीं? भरत भैया नीचे पुल पड़ा तो उठाते क्यों नहीं? आपके पत्नी से प्यार करो तो बुलाते क्यों नहीं? और आपका
क्या बोल पाएगा?
क्या नाम है? एरल भैया नाना तो समुद्र में ना टंकी आके क्या रखा है? प्यार करना है तो माँ बाप से करो, दूसरे लड़कियों में क्या रखा है?
और एक तो सुना दो।
क्या नाम है? क्या नाम था? रितेश भैया डब्बे चम्मच में जीरा। रितेश भैया है लाखों में हीरा। रितेश भैया टंकी में पानी। रितेश भैया की बीबी है परियों की रानी। क्या नाम है?
भरत।
भरत भैया साइकिल ना चले तो पानी मारते ही रहेगा। आपकी बीबी ना पटा तो लाइन मारते ही रहना।
पट गई है भाई।
So, after soaking in all that beauty at Nucky Lake, I hope you enjoyed that little glimpse. Our next stop was the Universal Peace Hall. This place is a major hub for the Brahma Kumaris, and honestly, the number of people visiting every day was incredible. They even have this divine home theater. Sounds intriguing, right? Apparently, it's all about experiencing enlightenment. Sadly though, it was a strict no photo, no video zone. So you'll just have to take my words for how interesting it was. This is the next stop, guys. This is called the Divine Home Theater, Universal Peace Hall. Let me try and show you what I can. Let's go inside. Okay, this is the entrance. Okay, please switch off your camera, mobile phone before entering the gate, so I won't be able to show it to you. Next on our list was the Achaleshwar Mahadev Temple, a Shiva temple nestled near the historic Achalgarh Fort in Rajasthan. Before heading in, we wandered through the local market and somewhat unexpectedly found ourselves buying a couple of jute bags. Apparently, the Achalgarh area is quite well known for its jute products, a little local discovery.
So we have reached Achalgarh now. Now we are going upside. This is the market, I think. So now let's see what all things are there. Let's go.
No trip to Mount Abu is complete without a visit to Guru Shikhar, the highest peak of the Aravalli range. It's a landmark, a must-see. Reaching the summit, however, requires a bit of dedication. Hundreds of steps lead to the temple at the top. Along the way, and at the summit itself, you'll find small shops catering to visitors. We took a moment to enjoy some Maggie with the panoramic view as a backdrop. Ultimately, despite the effort, the journey was a rewarding one. Alright guys, so we have got down of the bus and now we are in this jeep. Apparently the bus that we got into, the bus that we were told is going to Mount Abu was the wrong bus. So we were asked to get down here. And from here you can see there are a lot of jeeps and auto rickshaws to Mount Abu. They are charging me and Aaron 80 rupees per person. So I'll see you there.
अरे चला जाने क्यों है?
तो यहाँ गौमुख टेम्पल नहीं जा पाएंगे।
गमुक वो तो क्या आपको रुकना पड़ेगा कम से कम मिनिमम 3-4 घंटे का ट्रिप है।
इनके रुकना नहीं, घूम के जाना 1 घंटे का रास्ता है।
तो लास्ट में ये करके निकल जाएंगे ना।
एनर्जी ऐसे ही खत्म हो जाएगी आपकी।
नहीं वो तो कर लेंगे।
अरे यार ऊपर से दिखा देना ना।
कौन गाड़ी थोड़ी जाता है ऊपर से 1-1.5 किलोमीटर चल के जाना।
गाड़ी भी बंद हो गया दादा।
फिर 800 सीढ़ी उतरना है। वहाँ क्या जंगल में पूरा जंगल है, फॉरेस्ट एरिया, इसलिए 2 दिन ठहरना हो, रुक जाओ अगर घूमना हो।
गौमुख तो स्पेशल एक पॉइंट के लिए 4 से 5 घंटे चाहिए।
सर ब्लॉग बना रहे हो क्या?
हाँ।
कौन सा चैनल है आपका?
विनय पटेल नाम से।
विनय पटेल का नाम था, देखते सर, सब्सक्राइब करते हैं।
तक जाएंगे तो समझ लो सब आ गया।
अभी नहाना भी है तो।
अरे मैं ले जाऊंगा यार, डायरेक्ट घुमाने की बात थोड़ी कर रहा हूँ। जिसे मैं अभी बात कर रहा हूँ चलते हुए।
अच्छा हाँ उसमें
इसमें टिकट, पार्किंग का, मोबाइल वगैरह जहाँ भी जाएंगे, जो मंदिर में चार्ज लगता है मोबाइल वगैरह का, उसका भी नहीं लगेगा।
मंदिर में चार्ज लगता मोबाइल का।
एक बार दिखा
कहीं
फोटो लिया था?
कहीं आधा घंटा रुकेंगे, कहीं 1 घंटा रुकेंगे, कहीं 10 मिनट रुकेंगे। जिससे जो पॉइंट आएगा कम से कम 5-5.5 घंटा लग जाएगा अपने को घूमने में।
अच्छा
उसके
मतलब
बाद-
नीचे कब तक पहुँचेंगे?
फिर नीचे अपने समथिंग देख लो ना, 4:30-5 बज जाएगी।
इतना जल्दी?
अभी
दिन
कितना
भी तो
बजा?
बड़ा है ना यार।
अभी तो पूरा अभी तो 10 बजे।
कितने बज रही है? अभी तो 10 ही बज रही है।
और मतलब थोड़ी जगह ऐड करना होगा तो? और तो
थोड़ी जगह कौन सी, दोनों यही लिखे हुए हैं।
एक मिनट।
Guys, we are at a place called Guru Shikhar. This is the highest point in Mount Abu. Let me show you the view. There's a temple over there, by the way. Can you see it? Okay, there are so many steps that you need to climb to get there. Look at the view from here. Wow, look at that, guys. You can almost see the entire city from here. That's a breathtaking view. There's a temple of Guru Shikhar. That's what my driver told me. There are some shops here. There's the border security force board. There are a lot of vehicles that have come here, so there are a lot of people here. Guys, we are finally at the top, and this is the awesome view from here. And just read this. इसे चरण पादुका के दर्शन करके 3 बार घंटा बजाकर एक मनोकामना पूरी होगी. Which means basically you have to do this bell or the one above. I'm not sure, but this is breathtaking. गुरु शिखर से उतरने के बाद we headed straight back to the hotel. This was the end of day 1. Guys, let's begin with the room tour. This is where we are staying. This is a tiny comfy room. There's a television. There's a nice clean bed. And this is pretty much. This is the washroom. It's very clean, very nice. That's me. Hey. Nothing much to show here. This is a cupboard. Of course, there's a mandatory cupboard here. That's Errol. Say hi, man. There's an AC. Our room number is 205. So, we are going to be heading to Mount Abu tomorrow in the morning. And this is going to be a very, very exciting trip. So, stay with us. Good morning, guys. It is our day 2 in Abu Road, and we are headed to figure out what all things we can do here. Although we have been told that there is nothing much to do here, but we are trying to find a good place to eat. As yesterday, what we ate was horrible. Ritesh and Bharat had dal bati churma, but they were not really pleased with that. We had pav bhaji, but didn't have that authentic pav bhaji taste. Yeah, of course, we understand that we are not in Mumbai, so we are not going to get the authentic pav bhaji taste. But it was weird actually. And the dal bati churma, which is supposed to be a speciality here, was not up to the mark. Nevertheless, we are not expecting a lot. We are going to look for a decent place to have a lunch, and we are going to show you around like the market and other places where you can probably shop for a few things. So let's go.
सर, मैं आबू रोड होटल श्रीजी पैलेस से मैनेजर बोल रहा हूँ, सुनील मैनेजर। आप कभी भी घूमने या माउंट आबू अंबाजी कभी भी आ सकते हो, तो प्लीज हमारे होटल में स्टे करिए। आपको मैं लोकेशन का मैं बता देता हूँ कैसे आना है। आप गुजरात साइड से आ रहे हो तो रेलवे स्टेशन का जो हमारा आबू रोड पे स्टेशन है, वहां से हमारा होटल 200 मीटर के डिस्टेंस पे है, तो आप वहां से आ सकते हो। बस, थैंक यू।
And I can vouch for this. This is one of the best hotels where I have stayed. So please make sure if you are coming to Abu Road, come to Shriji Palace. Thank you. Guys, this is the market near Lucky Lake. Just look at the market, how big it is. There are some really good restaurants here. Again, there are a lot of stuff here, as you can see. There are a lot of restaurants here. One thing's for sure, you are not going to starve here. There are so many restaurants and so many food stalls here. And yes, please make sure that you carry a bottle of water because it's very hot here. You can see this shop called Top Gun. There are some guns here. I've seen a lot of shops selling guns. I don't know if they are what exactly these guns are. But you can see a lot of shops selling these types of guns here. Wow, look at this. Horror 11D Cinema. Again, you can get your picture printed on a t-shirt here. I like this lady. Another shop selling these kind of guns. Just take a look there. Yeah, nice. Another temple here. Okay, if you guys haven't figured it out yet, there are a lot of temples in Mount Abu. So, if you like visiting religious places, this is one place in India you can come to. Look at these guns. There's so many guns here. Tattoo shops. Okay, so they have decided to wait here and check what these guns are.
कितने बोले स्टार्टिंग? एक बार में एक
The one day there. This market is really big. It's like we are still trying to find a place to eat. But aside from that, it gives me those, churchgate vibes. You can find a lot of things. Like there's a wide range of products that you can buy from here. From blankets to masalas to clothes. I haven't seen a lot of restaurants here in this lane, but I'm sure there are going to be some places where we can, have a lunch. Okay, let's try and figure that out. So this is the market here. Okay, and you can see a lot of things here. And apparently, this market has a lot of good masalas and a lot of things that you can buy here. But yeah, you can see some gulal and everything here because Holi is coming up. For those of you who don't know what Holi is one of the biggest festivals in India. Okay. And this market is, I believe, going to reflect the festival in its true sense when the festival is, happening. But for now, we are just trying to figure out. We're just trying to figure out what we can eat. Let's see. I'll keep you updated. We came across this very interesting building here. Let me see how big it's here. It is Hamid Bai's 1936. Okay, so this building was built in 1936. Looks very historic. And there are like a lot of shoes that you can buy here. These are motorcycles. They're very popular in Gujarat. There's also some farsan that you can buy. Of course, clothing items, sweets. And I think these are mashallah shop. I don't know like much about that. So I'm not going to try and find out. These are like, this is the end of the market, I think. Okay, this is the end of part 1 of the market, I think. Because there are a lot of other things ahead. I can see that there are more shops. Let me check out. That's the Abu Road railway station. And the moment you get out of the Abu Road railway station, you'll see that there are a lot of rabdi stores here. A lot of shops selling rabdi. And we realize that rabdi is very popular here. So we are going to taste it. So I'll show it to you when we do that. So it is very expensive. You can see that rabdi is 480 rupees kg. You get it in these beautiful glasses. So this is rabdi. See how it looks. If you take it in this glass, it costs you 50. It's called Pullat. And wow. It looks very delicious. Okay, so we get these things. Let Aaron taste and say like how it is. Oh yeah. Nice. Okay, so let me taste now. Really good. Guys, when you come here, make sure that you have this rabdi. This is 50 rupees. It's more. It tastes like firni actually. And you're going to love it. बताएंगे कैसे बनता है एक्चुअली?
सर ये दूध की मलाई होती है, दूध को उबाल के गाढ़ा करके जो मलाई होता है उसका रबड़ी बनाया जाता है।
अच्छा, इसको काफी टाइम लगता है।
सर 2 से ढाई घंटे 12 किलो दूध। 12 किलो दूध में 3.5 किलो रोटी मिलता है।
आबू रोड की स्पेशलिटी है मतलब।
बिल्कुल सर, आबू सब जगह मिलता है, लेकिन सब जो आबू रोड का टेस्ट है वो आपको कहीं नहीं मिलता।
Guys, we are having one of the famous breakfast in Rajasthan. It's called Dal Pakwan. This is where we are having it, and this is how it is made.
खिला दिया बस।
So basically, it's dal, which is lentils, and there's something called as pakwan. ये किसका बना हुआ होता है? मैदे का। मतलब पूरी
मछली बनती है ना, मछली।
अच्छा, मटरी का है।
मठे कहीं की है, ये मठे छोटी होती है, ये बड़ी सही है।
अच्छा अच्छा, okay. So now you know what it is. Let's taste and let you know how it is. So Errol is taking the first bite. How's it?
Haruya, must. It's good.
So it's good. Let me take a bite.
If you come Abu, you can try this. It's sorted to it. It's only 30 rupees.
Yeah, it's just 30 rupees, and it's a staple breakfast item here. So I am trying this now. This is dal actually. Really nice, guys. Very nice. You have to try this when you are here. You have to try it. So this is the shop. This is Mr. Kamal की shop. जिनके वहाँ पे हम लोगों ने ये खाया है, बहुत ही टेस्टी है और बहुत ही पुरानी शॉप है, मगर सुबह ही आना होगा ना,
8 से 1 बजे तक।
8 से 1 बजे तक ही आना है, उसके बाद खत्म हो जाता है। आप देख सकते हैं ऑलमोस्ट खत्म हो गया है।
मॉर्निंग का नाश्ता, सुबह मॉर्निंग का।
तो ये मॉर्निंग का नाश्ता है बेसिकली। आप अगर सुबह आओगे तो गर्मा गर्म मिलेगा, और पहली बार मैंने कुछ ठंडा खाया है जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है। सो प्लीज कम हियर, दिस इज वेरी अमेजिंग प्लेस। ये स्टेशन के एग्जैक्ट सामने है, लाइक स्टेशन का लेन लेके आप आओगे तो यहीं पे है ये। इट इज ऑपोजिट ब्रो कैफे। तो दिस इज द प्लेस। अच्छा, इसको जगदीश चौराहे कहते हैं। आप यहाँ पे आ सकते हो और ये खा सकते हो। Alright guys, we are back to the Abu Road railway station. We had a wonderful journey. We had a wonderful trip. We had a wonderful stay. We met some amazing people. We had a chance to taste some amazing food. And now we are headed back to Mumbai. We are planning something very, very exciting with Ritesh and the gang that we met. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, this is the right time. Please hit that subscribe button. Follow me on my social media platforms. All the links are given in the description below. And I and Errol are going to see you in the next video very, very soon. So
Till
that time, be good. We'll see you very soon. Bye for now. Bye.
ये दुनिया थोड़ी छन भंगुर, ये दुनिया थोड़ी थेथर है। तुम जितनी जहर समझते हो बस उससे थोड़ी बेहतर है। ये दुनिया थोड़ी छन भंगुर, ये दुनिया थोड़ी थेथर है। तुम जितनी जहर समझते हो बस उससे थोड़ी बेहतर है। ये बूढ़ी खचड़ा गाड़ी है जो धक्के धक्के चलती है। ये उजड़ी ठाकुर बाड़ी है जो अब मुंह ढक के चलती है।